Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is big day number one for old Shake and Bake. We are headed to Waldorf Dodge, otherwise known as Eastcoast Moparts, or maybe the other way around. Either way, we're heading to Waldorf Dodge to pick up a really special package. If you've been watching the channel, you know what that package is. So I'm gonna leave it at that. So if you want to find out what I'm going to pick up before I pick it up, go back a couple videos and you'll find out. But we're on our way and we'll catch you when we get there. Folks, you saw it on the thumbnail, heard it on the intro. We're headed to Waldorf, to that place, Waldorf Dodge, also known as Eastcoast Moparts. So if you need any Mopar performance parts, I suggest you look up Andy, look up the eastcoastmoparts.com, check on there. They got really good prices, really down to earth bunch of folks. But we're headed there. And you know what? I was gonna leave it, but you know, we're going to pick up the Procharger. Yeah, buddy. Big day number one for old Shake and Bake. We're gonna go down here, pick up this Procharger. We'll get a little video, you know, picking up the box, hopefully stuffing it in old Shake and Bake. And then we'll get it back to the house. We'll do an unboxing, and then we'll show you the other pieces that you're gonna need to go with the Procharger, to make it a complete set, a complete kit. So we're on the road now. We'll be there probably, well, depending on traffic, probably about 10 minutes, and we'll come back on when we get to Waldorf Dodge. All right, folks, we got our mask on here. We're heading into Waldorf Dodge to go pick up the box. What's in the box? The Procharger's in the box. You guys know what's in the box. You OGs know what's in the box. So we're gonna walk in here. We're gonna go talk to Andy. Hopefully that Procharger box fits in the old Shake and Bake. We'll see in a few minutes. All right, folks. I should have videotaped us trying to get this box in here, but you know what? If someone tells you a Procharger box is not gonna fit in a Challenger, hey, we did it. Just take out all your seats and you got it made. There's the man that did it all, Mr. Andy. Eastcoast Moparts. Here's the shirt. There's the website. You got any Procharger needs, any performance needs, hit him up. He'll take care of you. All right, let's get home and unbox this bad boy. All right, folks, like I said, that box will fit in here. We had to open the door, come in at an angle, come back in the back, lift it up a little bit. You got to jiggle it a little bit. It's like anything else, you know. Jiggle it a little bit and boom, fits in the Challenger. Charger, you guys might have a different story, but a Challenger, you just take out the front seat, take out the back seat, which 95% of the time Shake and Bake doesn't have either of those seats in there. Take those out. Like I said, come in, open the door, come in through the window, tilted, and you just got to wiggle it a little bit to get it in there, and she'll fit. Make sure you got 2 people, maybe 3, just to make sure you don't mess anything up. So not sure how I'm gonna get it out of here, so I may set up the camera for that one. But yeah, we're gonna start up, head home. Once we get to the house and get this thing out, we'll do the unboxing. All right, folks, don't make fun of my garage. I know it's a mess, but hey, we're here to open up this box and see what's in there. And we are going to find out. We are going to find out. Open this side only, it says. So we will open this side. They definitely made sure it was packed well. Woo-wee, here we go. Guess y'all don't want to see my butt, do you? I must say they did one bang up job making sure everything is packed up. All right, here's a bunch of the intercooler parts, some tubing, some clamps, some brackets, whole bag full of goodies. And we'll get more into it on the installation video. Like I said, I'm not gonna sure I'll do a how-to, but do the big pieces. Let's see what we got here. All right, there's the inlet, air inlet, assembly, some more tubes, lots of tubes here. Let's see, let's get in here to the other end. Here we go with the belt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rib belt. Yep, Procharger 6 rib belt. Got us a bottle of oil. All right, in the box is the air filter. I put my knife over there. All right, radiator cap for the new coolant tank. Speak of that, here's the tank. Again, well wrapped, well put together. So get it out, take a look at it, make sure nothing's bent, nothing's scratched. Nope, all looks good. Looks good. So one thing Andy did tell me to do is go ahead and go through each and every one of these pieces. Make sure nothing's dented, nothing's scratched. Because if you don't immediately do it, they get a little iffy. Oh, they also sent me an oil, three pack of oil as well. Very, very nice. So not only do I got one to fill her up with, I got three more to do some oil changes with. All right, what do we got here? Surge valve assembly. Woo-wee. Looking good, looking good. All right, all kinds of goodies in here. All right, some more tubing, 90 degree. Again, this is all well wrapped in paper. All right, here's another plenum for the air discharge, the air charger. Goes down into the throttle body. Bubble wrapped and wrapped in paper. Pretty much everything is wrapped in bubble wrap and paper. All right, here's the surge tube. We'll get this all laid out pretty for Saturday as well. There's the crank pin, some more coolant stuff. Oh, oil drain. That's awesome. They gave me an oil drain too, so I don't have to buy that. I think Mopar Mike had to buy his, but they gave me one. All right. And all right, here's the bracket. It's got the pulleys on it, the whole 9 yards. We're getting to the big piece. We're getting to the big piece. She's sitting right here. All right, some more hoses and connections. Hose connectors. All right, 45-degree bend for one of the tubing. And it's foam padded in the bottom of the box too, man. They did a really good job of packaging this up. All right, got another 90-degree tube. Oh gosh. All right, and here's the intercooler. For those of y'all who want to take a look at this bad boy, I'm going to do this the easy way. We're going to have to wind up taking it out eventually. All right, boys. Ladies and gentlemen, we got us one whiz-bang intercooler. I'm here to tell you, this thing is super nice. Nope, I didn't cut the tape. Didn't cut the tape off the back. All right, here we go with the intercooler. I'm not going to take it all the way out. Woo! That bad boy's thick too. All right, and here's the coup de grace, folks. All packed up, nice and neat. All foamed out. Down into the foam. Whoo-wee. There she is. The D1X, folks. Talk about making some power. We got the helical gears and everything, so hopefully should be fairly quiet. But here she is, man, the coup de grace. Let's set her back down in here. Oh, cool, they sent a little license plate cover. That's nice. And then of course in here, you got all your directions, and I guess the warranty paperwork and all that stuff's in here. So okay folks, that's the unboxing. We got everything out. Probably come in tomorrow or Thursday, lay everything out nice and neat here in the garage, so we can make sure we can get to it. Got the instructions. Like I said, everything came out perfect. I didn't see anything dented, scratched, or beat up. So we're good to go for Saturday. for the installation. I got a buddy coming over to help me out, and we'll get some videos. Like I said, probably not a full installation video because it's probably gonna take us at least 6-7 hours, because you got to take the bumper off and a bunch of other things. So stay tuned for the installation video, folks. That's gonna happen on Saturday. We're gonna try and get to the track Friday night to do a comparison of the 370 gears vice the 309 gearing, which I got in the car now. I got the same tires, I got the same tune, so it's going to be an apples to apples comparison on the 309 gears. So I think that's what's holding me up. Friday we're going to find out 100% for sure if that 370 gear was holding me up. But that's going to do it for this one, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, check out the other content on the channel. If you like what's going on with the channel, please do those 4 things: like, subscribe, hit that bell, and toss me a comment. So that's it for this one, folks. Until next time, adios.